guys, welcome back to the channel. So finally got the IS300 back up and running, but the freaking battery, even though it's a little over 3 years old, that Walmart battery in there is about to die. It doesn't keep charged. I charge it overnight. I could probably start it once or twice and then it just dies. So I'm gonna go down to Advanced Auto Parts right now and pick up a new battery. I decided to go with a marine battery and I'll explain to you guys why in a minute. So with all the batteries I've been changing lately, I always have a spare core battery laying around. So this is the one out of the Sienna. I'm gonna just take it down and return it as a core. So one of the reasons why I decided to go with the marine battery was because it was cheap. At least the ones at Advanced Auto Parts for marine batteries. One of the things with the marine batteries, especially the one I'm picking up, which is a deep cycle battery. It's designed for marine applications, obviously, and RVs, and stuff that's infrequently started or infrequently used. Really, one of the biggest differences between a marine battery or even a deep cycle battery is like the density of the plates and all that. What you sacrifice is some cold cranking amps and some regular cranking amps, just because of the density of the plates that they use. I think they do that, the higher density, to hold the charge longer, especially on the deep cycles. But yeah, for my purposes, that Group 24 battery that the IS uses is not as common as the 24F, so it's more expensive. I think the cheapest one you could get is like $130 from Walmart. Really the only option, because everywhere else is about $150 for that same battery from Advance, and it's a starting battery. I think they charge a premium for that because it's got a 3-year warranty, and a lot of times when you buy these batteries, you're paying for that warranty. The only downside of the marine battery is it's only got a 1-year warranty. So with the 1-year warranty, yeah, I mean, you're kind of screwed after 1 year as far as trade-in and all that. But as far as like manufacturer's defects, these batteries basically all last about 3 years anyways. And if it did have a defect, it's gonna be right away. It's not gonna occur like after a year. There is a warranty issue with the marine battery. You'll know within the first year. Other than that, it should last about 3 years, which is what the going rate on these other batteries are lasting anyways. So hopefully for the $65 or $70 I'm paying for this, I could get 2 of the regular batteries for that. So as long as it lasts me 1.5 years each, then I come out about the same. Yeah, I just picked it up from Advanced Auto Parts. So the one difference between marine batteries and standard is the marine ones have these posts right here, which are for like the accessories on marines and boats and RVs and stuff, but we won't be using those on the IS or on our car. So here we have that deep cycle marine battery I bought at Advanced Auto Parts. So like I said earlier, you end up sacrificing some cranking amps and some cold cranking amps by going with the marine battery and the deep cycle, but you do gain some advantages with the long discharge and whatnot. So yeah, we basically sacrificed about 150 cold cranking amps. So on regular cranking amps, which is at 32 degrees, they call it marine cranking amps over here, we sacrificed almost 200 cranking amps on that end versus the Group 24 automotive battery. So over here, after we pull out the EverStart car battery, here's the cranking amps and the cold cranking amps. This guy was one of those ones that still had a 5-year warranty, but it's really a 3-year warranty with a 2-year prorated. The way the prorated works, if this was really purchased exactly at July of 3 years ago, we're in November now, so that's 40 months, right? So you get 40 out of 60 for the new battery. I contacted the old owner of the car and they don't have the receipt anymore, so I can't even claim the warranty. And even if I did claim the warranty with this, with it being $130 at Walmart right now, it would have costed me the same as buying this guy new. After taxes and fees and everything, it was about $70 for this guy versus $130 plus the fees and taxes if I would have went to Walmart and just bought another one of these. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for this quick episode on me changing another car battery. This is the third car battery on one for each one of my cars in 2020. It's just not a good year for batteries, I guess. Cars don't get driven much anymore since I've been working from home. I don't get to exercise them as much. Hopefully this marine battery experiment works out and I get like 3 years out of this thing. I've done it before on my Honda, back in the day on my Honda Accord. I actually replaced it with a deep cycle marine battery when my Optima deep cycle went out back then, and it worked I think for like 3 years or so on that marine battery. So hopefully this marine battery works. I'm compromising a little bit of cranking amps and cold cranking amps, but you know, here in Florida with it being so hot, I don't really think it matters. So if you guys found this video informative, just give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my little projects and experiments on these cars. So I'll talk to you guys next time.